Hollywood Studios, and today we're gonna do the 2 brand new shows.
And we're gonna end up doing something we've never done before.
Let's go.
Okay, but first, where do we need to go?
First, we're gonna get some coffee.
Kaylee needs her daily caffeine intake at the beginning of the day.
Honestly, this is one of my least favorite Starbucks in all of the Disney parks.
Another unpopular opinion, this is our least favorite Disney park.
That's true.
However, at nighttime, quickly turns into my favorite.
Agreed. But we're so excited to go see these shows.
Maybe go on an adventure in Galaxy's Edge. All right, Kaylee, what are we going to go see?
We're going to go see the Little Mermaid
Oh,
show.
kid Kaylee is freaking out right now.
This was my very favorite thing we did when we came as a kid. It was the new marquee.
Trust me, everything you need is right here under the sea. Oh, oh no, big fish. Under the sea. When does the deep begin to begin? It's music to me. What do they got? A lot of time. We got a hot station line. Little clown here, know how to jump here under the sea. Each little slug here, puts in a run here under the sea. Each little snail here, know how to win here. That's why it's hot out under the water. Y'all be in luck here, down in the muck here under the sea. Oh my!
Very busy woman, and I heard a cuddle day. It won't cost much, just your voice. You could unfortunate soul. It's sad, but true. If you want to cross a bridge like me, you got to pay the toll. Take a cup and take a breath and go ahead and find the scroll. Jackson, now I got it, boys. The boss is on our this poor, unfortunate
You got to kiss the girl. Want to go on and kiss the girl.
How was that?
I cried.
I looked at it, was the sweetest thing. I literally saw 6-year-old Kaylee, hands on her cheeks, tears streaming down. It was the most beautiful thing. I'm so glad we got to see
It
that.
was really good.
Do you recommend people watch that?
Yeah, you have to watch that. I remember watching that as a kid and how much it meant to me, and it still means that much. After getting totally wrecked by The Little Mermaid, we decided to walk over and watch the other brand new show, Villains Unfairly Ever After. Our expectations were so high. Guys, this blew us away.
I'm so excited.
You'll love me at once. Wasn't it my curse that brought silly beauty, the kiss of true love? I suppose you could say that the happily ever after.
So try the life of a thief, just sample the life of a cook. That isn't the one who won't have fun working for Captain Hulk.
He absolutely loved Villains Unfairly Ever After and felt like it was a major improvement for what was there before. It was time for a change, and another live show in Hollywood Studios is exactly what we have needed. And after that, it was time to do something we'd never done in Hollywood Studios. We've been annual pass holders for 2 years, and we are going to do something we've never done before. Can you tell me what we're headed to do?
We're going to Oga's Cantina. We don't drink, but we do dabble in a mocktail. And we're gonna eat. So we'll keep you guys updated with what's in there. What is your favorite part of Galaxy's Edge? Kaylee is a true Star Wars fan, by the way, so I definitely married up in this world.
Honestly, this sounds so subtle, but I love when you walk underneath kind of the canvas of like the ropes and things like that. I think it like sets the stage. It looks
Right.
really real. Like you see all the wires and the noises and things like that. It's not really one specific area. It's just all of the small details are what makes me. That's what makes me love it.
That was so beautiful.
What?
We got 2 different mocktails today. I decided on the Blurred Fire, which is lemonade, pomegranate juice, and habanero lime. Yes, the rim was spicy. It was so good. I love a little bit of kick after every drink. I would definitely get this again. And Tanner decided on the Hyperdrive, which is mountain berry Powerade, white cranberry juice, black cherry puree, and Sprite. He also loved his. For food options, we decided to share. All of the options are very shareable. We got the Batu Bits, which are crispy little snack bits with a spice dip. It was really fun, super shareable, and very different than what we've had in the past. We also decided on the Umberon cheese roll. It is spice-dusted pretzel bun stuffed with herb cheese and dipping sauce. This was also good. I will say, I thought it was going to be a little bit spicy, and it is very sweet. I probably wouldn't get it again just because it was different than what I expected. Then, right as we were finishing our food, we had a visitor.
Well, hello. Oh my.
We've seen you around here, acting leisurely. Are you a traveler on vacation?
Yes.
Undercover for the Resistance?
I'll never tell.
Are you a vacationing traveler? Or a Resistance spy?
I'll never tell.
All right. As you were, traveler.
I almost got us in trouble. That was awesome. That was so cool.
Oga's Cantina. I personally loved it. Hold on, TIE Fighters.
That was so good.
If you have the opportunity to do it, I say do it. At least once.
It doesn't take a whole lot of time. It's not like your normal dining experience that you have to block out like a big chunk of your day. So you have 45 minutes to sit and enjoy your food. We got mocktails.
And they were amazing.
They were so good. A couple different snacks. They're very shareable. They're not massive, so you're not gonna leave like absolutely stuffed if you only eat one.
Right.
But we got 2, and it was definitely very filling.
Yeah, perfect for the both of us.
Not a super expensive meal with 2 meals and 2 drinks. It ended up being about $45. I would definitely do it again.
Oh yeah. So
Yeah.
what's that one?
We've got a few honorable mentions here. We decided to hop over to Epcot and grab a few of our favorite desserts and a few new things. Of course, the iconic apple cake, which is a spongy apple-filled cake with caramel topping you can get from the Germany Pavilion. Also, we tried a troll horn, which is a flaky chocolate cream-filled pastry with coffee crunch on the top. We tried the cheese strudel, and it was warm, berry compote on the top. Hope they bring this back because it was so good. So, these definitely deserve an honorable mention. Well, friends, that is the end of our Disney trip of firsts. From watching the new Little Mermaid show to meeting villains all the way from Neverland to Galaxy's Edge, we saw it all and we definitely ate it all. We cannot wait for our next trip. Don't forget to subscribe. We're the Liggins and we're so glad that you're here.